For this assignment, Bias and Fallacies in the Media, you're going to be looking for bias and fallacy in headlines and articles that you find online. Then you're going to analyze bias and 3 different types of fallacies. So I have an example of bias here. I looked on CNN and I saw the headline that senators to men shut up or put up. I have the website here. And so I say CNN, so I cite it. I give a quote, you can also paraphrase, and then I explain what it's in relationship. So I give some context, and then B, I start analyzing it. So how do I know it's bias? It uses negative language by using things referring to men that all men need to shut up. I analyze it by saying it's a generalization, and it makes you feel like men are bad people and they need to be quiet, that only women can look out for their rights, and maybe she's trying to further women's rights. A counterclaim to this is that not all men are bad. The next thing you need to do then is have a works cited page. So I use EasyBib. So I opened up EasyBib. I put the URL. I copied and pasted. I did Control C to get the URL. I put it in EasyBib. I noticed there is not a author for this piece. It's just the CNN. So I don't have a contributor. I have the title is, what was the title again? Senator to Men. So the article said, Senator to Men, shut up and step up. I know that it was published yesterday. I read it, and notice how the day comes first. So I read it on the 18th of September, 2018. And let's see if it will complete the citation for me. I forgot the CNN. I said that the website is CNN. It shows me CNN, and then I have cite. All right, so I have 2 different links here, and the one I want is this is an MLA format. I want this one here. I can copy and paste it by highlighting it and then putting Control C, or I can copy to a clipboard, either way. And then I go to my slide and I put it into my slide. Now I'm going to have to change the font to a bigger font. And I'm also going to have to break this up because that's not in proper format. So I'm going to, at the slide, the little dash line there, I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to tab over the first, oops, excuse me. Okay, so now I need the name of the article or the authors totally left justified. The second line I need to tab over. If the second line doesn't tab over, what you do is you put your cursor at the end, click enter, delete the space, and then tab.